friend, so I wasn't gonna make any content for this cruise, but I think it's just in my nature. So here we are, Enchanted Princess, here out of Rome, Civitavecchia, and it is a 7-day cruise. I'm on here for YouTube After 40 group. So a bunch of us YouTubers are getting together, running our mouths and talking about content creation. But yeah, today, obviously, I'm gonna show you what my cabin looks like here on Enchanted Princess, on Princess Cruise Lines. It sounds weird saying that because normally the cruise line is not also in the name of the ship. So anyway, I am in cabin A228, which is an interior cabin. Cost me an arm and a leg. It's regular cruise prices. I just ain't used to paying regular cruise prices. We'll talk about that later. Let me show you this cabin.
So much.
So I'm here on deck 12, and as you can see, this is a pretty long ship. I actually started, we were hanging out at the back of the ship somewhere, and I am way over at the front of the ship. I think I was over here at this elevator. I had to walk all the way. Friend, I needed an Uber to get here. So this is where I'm at now, the elevator. And you can see my cabin is right near the elevator. So let's go and take a look. Okay, there's 3 elevator banks on this ship. And all right, so we have a laundrette, so self-service laundry room. I was kind of concerned about that. Obviously, I need my laundry done when I am living on cruise ships, and wasn't sure if I'd be able to get it done or if I was gonna have to pay an arm and a leg for it. But anywho, let's go see this cabin. So they give us these medallions, right? And it's upside down, but you get the point. It has your name, the ship name, and the date that you're sailing. And then as you approach your cabin, get close to it, you can already see my cabin door is green. It's lit up green. So it opens as soon as you get close to it. Alrighty, so if you take too long because you're filming a video like me, then obviously it goes away. So now let me retouch it. They verifying me. Did it turn green again? Oh, it's still verifying me. So don't do like I did and take forever. Okay, now it's green. Let's go. Boom, bam, baby. Alrighty, as soon as you step in, you get to see your own lovely face. Hey! Let's just do a quick cabin tour. This is only my 2nd time on a princess ship, and I'll link a video to Sun Princess if you want to see what my cabin looked like there. But this is what my cabin looks like on Enchanted Princess. Since this ship, I believe it said it's 6 years old. I think it was built in 2020. So yeah, of course, I asked for beds to be separated, but it's only a week, and they do have places for me to store my luggage, which I'll show you in just a moment. But yeah, this is a pretty spacious cabin, especially for a solo person. But I did come in, I dropped my couple of bags off. They do have my luggage, and it hasn't been delivered yet. And I just came in, used the bathroom real quick, and now we're gonna go and take a look at this cabin. Let's see, because I'm using my phone to record. See if I can do this with one hand. I'm not sure if this, move my bags. Put my bags there. Not sure if this TV pulls out or not. Let's see. Alrighty. Doesn't feel like it does. I don't think so. If it does, I'm not able to do it. All right, so let's check out what they actually provide us. Of course, we have our muster station. Oh, I was like, there's no peephole, but yeah, it's in the middle of the muster drill info. Boom, bam, you can see out there. All righty, so we have that, and then look at this big spacious desk. Yeah, that's really nice for someone. You saw the light just go out. Really nice for someone. You saw the light just go out. That's really nice for someone who is working remotely on the cruise ship. This is probably the biggest desk that I've ever seen on a cruise ship, especially in an interior cabin for sure. Let's see, the light, is it this one? I don't see how to turn on the light. Oh, maybe it's this one. Boom. Alrighty. So there's your desk light. Let's see how much power they give us. Plenty. They got a European, a US, a European, I forgot what this is called, a grounded European, I think. It's just turned sideways. And then a regular US port. So we're good. I see the remote and the TV. I really like this chair. It's pretty nice, right? Yeah, not too shabby. Everything smells new. I don't know if this went through a refurbish or something, but I wouldn't think so with it only being 6 years old. Someone's calling me. Dining. Let's see. Hello. Hi. From the dining room, I was supposed to do what? Oh, I left my bag. I was supposed to pick up my bag. Yes. Okay. All right. I'm coming down to get it. Thank you for the reminder. Okay, bye. Yes, so they have this thing when you first get on the ship that if you don't want to carry around your carry-on, so you know I have two bags. I have my regular big bag and I have my carry-on. My big bag, of course, I let them take that, left that with the porters. But my carry-on bag, there's all my electronics in it. I don't want them to be slinging that bag around, so I bring that on. But basically what they said is, so you don't have to carry that bag around, like when you're going to lunch or whatever. They let you leave it in the dining room, but then you come back and pick it up. And I was supposed to come back to pick it up at 1 o'clock when they made the announcement. I totally forgot about it. All right, so let me finish this cabin tour, and then I will go and get my bag. All right, so let's go back to here. Where we at? We got the phone, we got the remote, we got this extra little drawer here. Oh, that has, ooh. All right, so this was one of the problems that I had on Sun Princess, and that was cleanliness. And you can see I pulled this open. Whoever cleaned this cabin did not check to make sure that all the hair was out of here. I don't use a hair dryer. I actually washed my hair today, but I let my hair air dry. But it should still not have this hair in here, but that's a minor issue. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but this drawer is dirty too. This drawer is dirty too. Now I do use these drawers to put my electronics in there, and I could just wipe it out, but I'm just making out the point where I just got here and this room is dirty. At least the drawers, not the whole room. All right, let's check out the rest. We got a fridge. Let's see. All right, pretty decent. It's not dirty, it's actually clean, so feels pretty cool. I wouldn't say cold, but I think it'll keep my waters, which I ordered water ahead of time. I don't remember how much I paid for them. If I can find it when I make this video, I'll post it up on the screen. They don't have any shelves over here, which is odd, right? You think they'd have something, and there's only one shelf to put stuff on, which that's all I need is water, but somebody else might want other shelves. I'm sure they could probably borrow some from another cabin. Alrighty, let's see what they got over here. A daily spotlight. I'm guessing these are the different activities that we'll have for today. Yep, some info. Of course, we have this mirror here over the desk, and then another mirror over here. We got two huge, gigantic nightstands. Definitely the biggest nightstands I've ever seen. Those are clean and good. We do have a USB port so you can charge your phone, and a little thing to turn it on and off. Same thing on the other side, looks like. Yep, same thing. Oh, I love that they have, I've never seen this before for sure. The power to the cabin lights are on both sides of the bed. That is amazing. I like it. So no matter which side you lay on, you will still have access to turn that light off and on. All right, I like that. And pretty nice picture here. Goes with the feel of the room. And I done messed up the bed now, but this is what it looks like from this angle here. And this light over here, you can tell you don't see the bathroom from here. So obviously the bathroom is back there. And that light automatically comes on when you get close enough to it. Oh, you're still in my room?
Almost. Because I changed cleaning in the toilet. Just 1 second, madam.
Okay. You threw my clothes on the floor? You put my clothes on the floor?
Huh?
You put my clothes on the floor?
Falling down?
Why you put my clothes on the floor?
Oh, sorry. This?
No, don't do all that. Just put it back on the bed.
In the bed? I mean, sorry, falling down. Because I changed this. Okay.
Thank you.
Then go.
Boom, bam. Got the thermostat there. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because I'm a little bit on the warm side right now. I like that they have this hook here. And this is your closet. Don't have to worry about closet doors, but yeah. You can put your suitcase there, your luggage. There's a bag for laundry. This is actually, I'm not used to this. I'm used to paper laundry bags. Ah, we on high cotton now. Hold on. Okay, we on high cotton now. They got a whole grocery bag that you can put your laundry in. Is it for laundry or other stuff? I don't know. I'm thinking it's for laundry because it's where the laundry bag would normally go. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. Anyway, pretty nice closet. And honestly, I feel that this is more than enough for anybody who's going on a week cruise. A solo person would just need one side. And then the 2 people are in the cabin, definitely the other side. That is plenty. I like it. But they didn't stop there. Wait, there's more. Check it out. Way more space than anybody needs. This is probably what I'm going to use because I only have, so many clothes. And so I'm just going to fold them up and stick them there. And oh my, look, more shelving. Okay. I am really impressed with the size of this cabin and all the different storage that they have in it. Yeah, good job, Princess. Good job. So far, great. Now remember, I've only been on one Princess cruise ship so far, and I actually love the ship and I love the itinerary. I love all the activities that they had on the ship. It was awesome. The only thing I didn't like was the customer service. So far on this ship, I actually have gotten really good service, surprisingly, because it's out of Europe. So I was expecting a little lackluster customer service, but no. Princess has been doing really good customer service. The people in hospitality are actually being hospitable. And yeah, everything is great. Have absolutely zero complaints so far. And I'm expecting for it to be like that the rest of the cruise. Look how huge this sink is. Wow, that is amazing. What I don't see, oh, okay, now I see it. I had to bend down to see it. I was gonna say I don't see a toilet tissue roll, but now I see the toilet tissue roll. There we go. Got some extra facial tissue, the garbage can down there, and unfortunately, they do have the dreaded shower curtain. Looks like they got a little step up there. I like that. And all right, so everything else is pretty clean, looks like. Just the drawer, those drawers at the front, but the rest is pretty clean. We got a shower curtain here. We got clothesline up there. We got this light that wants to keep going. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Have to actually step out? No, it just don't want. Oh, there you go. Let me see. I like this. If you were to bring your own shower gel, whatever, shampoo, you can stick it there. And we have the adjustable shower head. You can adjust it up and down depending on your height, and forward, up and down like that if you want. We got your controllers here, and We also have a grab bar for you to hold on to while, if you're taking a shower while the ship is moving, or just in general, even if it ain't moving. Alrighty. That is it. That is our full cabin tour of, I just noticed the towels. I didn't mention anything about the towels, but they're towels. Do I really need to mention anything? And these hooks right here on the door, I didn't mention those. Anyway, that is the full cabin tour for an interior cabin type A. I don't know what that means. A in cabin 228 here on Princess Ship Enchanted Princess. Again, I gotta get used to that because I'm not used to the cruise line and the name of the ship being the same. That's it. I will ramble. You know I will. Thanks so much for watching. If I can control myself, I will not be making any more videos about Enchanted Princess. If my addiction is as real as I think it is, I will be coming back with more content about Enchanted Princess. So, my luggage is here. Yay! Thank you. Oh, you brought it all. Oh, hey, friend.
You brought this one. I don't know, maybe someone who...
It was in the dining room. They had called me and I was going to come get it after I finished filming. But since you brought it, thank you so much.
No problem.
I appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Alrighty. What was I saying about the customer service on this one? So far, I have 0 complaints. Y'all doing a good job. Y'all are doing an excellent job. Keep it up, Princess. Keep it up. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you on the next cruise. And I was saying, I don't really plan to film on this ship, but it's now in my DNA to film when I am on a cruise ship. So if I can't control myself, you might see more Enchanted Princess videos. If not, I shall see you on my next adventure that is not a princess cruise. Thanks for watching. Link is in the video description for my previous Sun Princess cruise if you want to check out that video. Yep. Bye.